Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll be diving into an important order recently issued by the Ministry of Heavy Industries. It's called the Machinery, Equipment and Safety Omnibus Technical Regulation Order 2024. There's been quite a bit of confusion surrounding this regulation and we have been getting a lot of questions about it. So, in this video, we are here to clear the air and address some of the most frequently asked and highly relevant queries. I'm Baston Benny representing MindSync. MindSync is a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. Now let's get started. The first question is, how can we determine which standard or category our product falls under? So the first thing you need to see is the HSN codes in the order. Suppose your product HSN code is in the order, then your product might need a certification. So after finding out the HSN code, the next thing you need to do is to classify your products on the basis of which type it falls under. There are type A, type B and type C. So this will be the next most important step you need to do after finding which HSN code your products fall under. So if you have any queries regarding the identification of type A, type B standard, you can just contact us. The details are given here. So let's move forward and look at the next question. Which BIS mark should be affixed on the machinery and what should be done if there is no space available on the machine? So this is a visual representation of the BIS mark that will be affixed in the product. And if the standard mark cannot be applied on the product or the packaging physically, it shall be given on the test certificate. That's it. Next question is, what should be done if there is no BIS recognized lab available for testing your machinery? How can you get it tested to obtain certification? Suppose let's say there is no BIS recognized lab, then you can go for an in-house test report which would be accepted by the BIS. This condition only applies when there is no recognized BIS lab. The next question is, what is the validity of the BIS certification? The license to use the standard mark shall initially be granted for not less than 3 years and up to 6 years. So basically it's 3 to 6 years and subsequent renewals. The next question is, my product is used as a spares and accessories in other assemblies. Do I still have to take a license for my product? BIS license is mandatory for the product notified in the QCO, even if the product used as a spare part or accessory in another assemblies. Next question, if a product already possesses BIS certification obtained voluntarily for categories where certification is not mandatory, would our machines be exempt from the BIS OTR QCO requirements? See, the BIS OTR exemption is available only to the products that fall under the mandatory quality control order. If your product is not included in the mandatory QCO list, obtaining BIS certification voluntarily does not qualify it for exemption under the BIS OTR framework. Next question. I manufacture products for various brand owners. Do I need to take separate license for each brand even if they are made in the same factory premises? See, the BIS certification is granted on a factory specific basis, meaning it is issued to the manufacturer's production unit, not in individual brand names. Therefore, a single product manufactured at a certified facility can be marketed under multiple brand names, provided that all such brand names are declared and included in the scope of the BIS certification at the time of application or separately through an inclusion request. By moving forward, let's quickly see some of the other important questions. We'll be just addressing the questions as of now. Our compressors fall under Type C, covered by IS 17093. For the licensing process, should we apply only under the Type C standard or should we also combine our application with relevant Type A and Type B standards? Okay, and one more important question is, we manufacture pumps that do not fall under Type C. The relevant products are HSN 841340 liquid elevator concrete pumps and the next one is other centrifugal pumps. Okay, all these fall under Type A and Type B. We would like to know whether we should submit separate application for both of our products or if they can be covered under a single application. So basically the question is, their product does not fall under Type C and they have a two kind of product and they are in doubt that whether to submit a separate application for both or a single application would be okay for the same category. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop us a message. Thank you.